News 2 at 10 starts now.
Severe storm or tornado. Looking at the damage, it is hard to tell. And that same storm system is bringing heavy rains, lightning, and power outages to other areas of Middle Tennessee. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for staying up late with us. I'm Bob Mueller. Vic is off tonight. We'll get to the damage reports in a moment. First, though, we want to get the very latest from Davis Nolan at the News 2 Storm Tracker. Davis?
Well, Bob, we're going to take a look at Storm Tracker and some pretty vivid lightning pushing in from the west in Davidson County. And by the way, Metro Nashville and Davidson County now has a severe thunderstorm warning in effect, and we'll talk about all the warnings momentarily. Look how much lightning we've seen just during the last hour, pushing up I-40 from the west on towards the east. If we look at our 3D imagery of Storm Tracker, and we go back out to Ashland City, out Ashland City Highway and I-40, you can see up to 97 strokes of lightning just during the last several minutes, and that's what's making its way into Nashville. You can see as we move over closer to Nashville, the count goes up into the hundreds here as it moves into West Nashville, into the Bordeaux area, and eventually into downtown Nashville. You can see some of that, but now moving on towards the east at around 25 miles an hour. That puts them in Brentwood by 11:53. As we move further down, Hendersonville by 11:53, Antioch 12:03, Gallatin 12:10, Mount Juliet 12:13, and the same thing for Nolansville. And moving down the list there, we see Smyrna, Lebanon, Hartsville, Watertown, and Carthage by around 1:20. Winds are concerned. Now, some of these winds may be aloft that we're looking at right now, but up to 70-mile-per-hour winds there. If we go to one of our other velocity modes here at the surface, is showing up to 58-mile-per-hour winds, so we're not too far off as far as that's concerned. And whether it's 74 or 58, that could easily do damage to trees and power lines. And places like Paris, Tennessee have had numerous power outages, and even the medical center in Paris, Tennessee, without power at this time. Meanwhile, we're going to pan down I-40 because we have those two what I've been calling hot spots. We're going down I-40. There's Highway 96 just south of I-40, and we get back here down I-40 past White Bluff and over towards the Bonagua area. Here's the possible tornado being indicated by next-red Doppler radar. Here's Bonagua right here, Iron Hill, Burns, Tennessee, just north of I-40, as you can see. Blue indicates flash flood warnings for places like Clarksville and Montgomery County, Houston County, also Waverly and Humphreys County, and also Benton County over to the west, with a good deal of rain from these storms as well. Just to show you some of the rainfall totals here in Humphreys County, up to 4 inches of rain total there. But again, more storms continuing to push on towards the east.